everyone, Deb here, and I have got the unboxing for the January Kitaholic Kit. So really exciting, new year, first kit of the year, and let's get in and have a look what we got. So I'm starting off with the mixed media kit, and I've opened some of these things. I've had a peek because I've been waiting all day to do my unboxing when it's a bit more quieter, because it is school holidays, Grant is on holidays, and it gets a bit noisy around here. So I did have a look at some of the things in the kits, but these are from Nubo, and they are highly pigmented watercolor pencils, and we got 12, and I just love the case that they come into. So 12 colors for watercolor. Awesome. So cool. And that's the back there. They're the colors, if you were curious. Okay, and then we also got Vicky Booten watercolor stickers. So you get 173 pieces in here. So some of them are already watercolored. There must be a piece of acetate in there. And then you've got all these black and white stickers to watercolor yourself. You can use them as black and white, or you can color them to match whatever your project, whatever matches your project that you're doing. So that is pretty cool to get with the pencils. So on to the next one. This is the embellishment kit, and we got a baggie of resin flowers in all different colors and sizes. Oh, and there's a heart in the back of that one. So there's that. And we got a pack of wood veneers from Kaiser Craft. Flourish. Yeah, Flourish pack. And they're really cool. Like, there's little focus paint palettes and pens, fountain pens, which is really cool because I've been getting into my fountain pens and paint brushes and yeah, butterflies, birds. So that is cool. A little pack of things to embellish with. We got the Cocoa Vanilla Studio. This is from Midnight, and they're die cut titles. So get all these titles. That, and there's 25 pieces in that one. We got a piece of lace ribbon. Well, it's just lace, which I absolutely love. That is so pretty and delicate. And we got another sticker book. Oh my god. Let's see. Open it up. Oh, I can see oh, there's stickers at the top too. I can see foiling in here. Oh, this looks cool. Ugh. Hot pink foil accents, 1,000 stickers. That is crazy. Oh, they're so pretty. I hope I can hold it. Oh, wow. I love that there's an alpha in this sticker book. That is so awesome. And you get 2 pages of it. That is so cool. Oh, planner stuff. Washi strips. Icons. Oh, another. Oh, wow. Oh, it's just so pretty. They're all foiled word strips. Oh my god, there's tiny little alphas in the back, and they're foiled as well. And you've got little check boxes if you're a planner person. Oh, and the little labels. Oh my god. I love this sticker book. This is so awesome. Oh. Oh, wow. I love that one. I think I'll be using a lot of that one. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, we also got Free Spirit alphabet stickers from Coco Vanilla Studio, and they're like a tan with a polka dot on them. Tan, grey, yeah, and they've got like a light polka dot pattern on them. I don't know if my camera's picking that up because I can't really see. Okay, then we got stickers, and these ones are called Fresh Start. So got all of these. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, I love that. That's awesome. So that was the embellishment pack for January. So onto the pocket page kit, and we got a baggie of wood veneer, paper clips, twine, and a doily, and it looks like some grid paper there. Was that even in frame? Sorry. Love this love word. There's a cross there, and that's so perfect. I know what I use that one for. Oh, I love that. That's cool. We got some rhinestones, and I do believe they might be different colours from kit to kit. So I've got aquamarine. It's a pretty green colour. Then what do I go next? We've got Craft collectibles. Scrap Studio. Is that? I'm not sure. Is that the name of the collection? Must be. So, yeah, you get, I think, includes 40 or more pieces. There's quite a lot of pieces in there. That's quite chunky. Chunky pack of die cuts in there. So got that, and we got some washi, and we've got that heart icon that was in the sticker book, along with the hot pink foiled one, and there is a wide one with all different coloured stars on it. That's pretty cool. We got Craft Alpha sticker sheet Sea Breeze. So the numbers, letters, upper and lowercase. Then we got, I believe, each I can't even think. Each kit kind of different. I can't get my words out. It's different. Like we got half a pack of the 6x6 papers. So these are the ones I got. So I'm just gonna quickly go through them. I love that. That's pretty. That one's pretty too. Crosses. Oh, that one would be nice watercoloured. That one. Little cut apart sheet. That one's nice. Watercolour wash. More flowers. Oops. Ooh, a polka dot. Oh, I like that. Love hearts. And these are die cut tags and things that you can just pop out and use. So we got that. We got a cut apart sheet, Scrap Studio collection, Craft. Oh, I like that side. This will be interesting. So there's lots of things to cut apart. And then we got the Blessed sticker sheet from Craft, and a lot of the Blessed collection is in the kits this month, so very pretty colours. And then we got exclusive die cuts and labels. It's just crazy how many you get in the Project Life kit. There's lots to embellish. I was interrupted, sorry, but yeah, that is the Pocket Page Project Life kit. So onto the main kit, and I'm going to start off with this pen. I looked it up online. Let me see if I can get it to focus. And it looks like it's like a jelly roller pen to me. You can write, this one's white, pretty sure it said white. You can write on dark surfaces, and it looks like too that you can also write on acetate with this pen. So I think it acts pretty much like a jelly roller pen, so that is pretty cool to get that in the kits. So there's that. Then we got some tulle, and I know that's going to be hard to see on the camera because it's a very light pink colour. We got some Heidi Swap Journal Studio stickers, 61 pieces, and they're puppy stickers. They're really cool. Hearts and sayings and lots of cool things there. We got the Blessed Collectibles die cuts. So how many pieces? Includes 40 or more pieces. So there is that. We got a piece of sequin trim in gold. Let's see if that'll pick up in gold. So I love sequin trim. Very sparkly. We got a couple of doilies. There. Then we got Heidi Swap embellishments, and they're butterflies, layered butterflies on paper clips. So that is pretty cool. Yeah, 6 of them. We got a little baggie. This is so cute. I love these. Acrylic hearts. Is that focusing? Sorry if it's not focusing. Maybe it doesn't like that packet. It's hard to tell. Okay. Ooh, and I love these. These are thickers, and they're called Anne, and they are gold. I absolutely love them. They're foam thickers. Then we're going to get into the papers, and I believe most of the papers are Blessed, from the Blessed collection from Case of Craft. I'm sweating. Oh, it's hot here today. So this one is called Gratitude, and it is beautiful floral. And the back side. Then we've got Blissful. And again, there's that floral that would be really cool, watercolored. Oh, this is interesting. It's like split down the middle, like 6 by 12 and 6 by 12. This one is Have Faith. It's cool. This one is called Friendship. I love that floral too. Such pretty colours in this collection, and it's like a cut apart sheet. This one is called Beaming, and the back side of that. This one is called Believer. And there's the back side of that one. And this one is called Fortunate. And another beautiful floral. And this one, wow, this is So pretty. That would look cool watercolored. And it's from the Bless collection, and it's called Bouquet. And that would look so awesome if you watercolored in that foiling. So pretty. So that is the main kit. And also you get the exclusive die cuts as well. So lots of things to help embellish. So all pretty cool. So that, yeah, that is the main kit for January. So I'm looking forward to scrapping my heart out in 2019. I was almost going to say 2018. It's hard saying 2019, beginning of the year. Yeah, I was just actually going through all my layouts from the past year and putting them away in albums. I can't believe how many layouts I actually did. I'm kind of shocked actually. So, and I'm going to have to share them. But until then, I am going to get back to my kids. And if you want to check out any of these kits, I'll leave the links below to Kitaholics. And also, I always leave my playlist of all my videos over on the Kitaholics YouTube channel. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, bit rusty. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.